Yo, what's happening, guys? We are back looking for the waterfall again. We determined this time, pretty sure, I got a rough idea of where it is now. So I'll flip it around, you can see what I can see, and we'll find this place now. Actually, Cwm Darran again. So on the last one, we searched up and down, right up to the pond. But I've had a little bit of a research and I roughly know where it is now. So we're going to head that direction over there, and we're going to find it. We got Luna still, she's here. We're heading up this way today because rumour has it it's up there. It's a little bit windy, but the weather's a lot better today than what it was yesterday. So hopefully we find it today. It's been a bit of a adventure the past couple of days. And if nobody told me about this place, about the waterfall, it would have been a one video Cwm Darran video place. But we seem to make three. This is the third time we've been here this week. So let's do it. Let's find this thing. Oh, let's have a look at this. Oh look, it's like a little pond. But from what I can gather from the internet, I know the internet is not the most reliable of sources. Saying that, 2026 is pretty reliable these days. But we hope we can find it anyway. It's around here somewhere. Now I do look at the views though. Anyone tries to tell me that South Wales is not the most beautiful place in the UK, you just can't, can you? You can't tell me that. Oh, we found it. We're gonna go up, yeah? There it is. You wanna stay there, baby? You guys? Oh wow. To be fair, it is pretty cool. So yeah, we found it, guys. Look at the setting. Look at that. Wow. I never knew this place existed. Wow. That's cool. Now we're back. So Luna. Yeah, I like this. This is cool. So yeah, guys, we found it. And it didn't take long this time when we knew where we were going roughly. We roughly knew where we were going this time, so we found it. So I think from here now, I think we now should head back down towards maybe, yeah, let's go right and we'll go Cwm Darran. Grassing, all the grass seeds. So yeah, we found it. No, not don't. So yeah, that was lovely, wasn't it? What a beautiful place. We found it, the secret hidden waterfall, which as it turns out is not so secret. Where you going, babe? Yeah, as it turns out, it's not so secret. It's hidden a little bit. I'm surprised not a lot of people know about it. To be fair, I've asked a few people and some people just look at me stupid like, waterfall? What do you mean? Let's go and have a look at this wheel by here. So yeah, this is the one path which, I'm not gonna lie, you'll probably see it in both videos. This one path is the path that I thought, no, it can't be there. Turns out it is. Let's go and have a look at this wheel by here. I think we're going to go down here then. Yeah, I think we'll go that way now. Ooh, look at this. Cwm Darran. Luna, come on. We're gonna go through here. We're gonna have a head down there. It's like a little, I can see something which I want to have a look at. These old railway carriages, coal carriages. Oh wow, it's actually coal in them too. But this is what I wanted to come and have a look at. Look at this, it's like a circle of rocks. I want to see this. What is this? What is it? Could it be an old ventilation chamber for the shafts? Oh, there's a sign. Let's go and have a look. There's a notice board. Hopefully it tells us what it is. £1.32 a week. Mad. Wow. There seems to have been a couple of disasters here. Wow. Interesting stuff. Let's see where this goes then. Oh look, there's another wheel. We're going to have a look at this one then. Waterfall of Cwm Darran, 1921 to 1975. I'm guessing I would have turned a belt of some sort. So let's head back down, yeah? We're gonna head this way, I think. We're gonna have a look what's down by here. She seems happy today. She's always happy we're out. Oh, what's this then? Oh, bit of a mad one. Here we are, look, Cwm Darran Pond. What a beautiful place, to be fair. Come on. In fact, come on. Luna, we'll go up here. Come on. Let's have a wander up here. Why not? At least then I won't get another message saying we missed something else. Not gonna lie, at first, when I seen the message at first, I thought, no, I would have seen that and I would have heard it, surely. And after yesterday, coming around, I was starting to disbelieve. And then I've done a bit of research. Turns out it is true. People have taken pictures of it. So I thought, right, let me try and pinpoint more of an exact location or a rough location, and we'll head there. And we found it, guys. We found it. We did, we found it. So we're gonna head down here, see where this takes us. We're gonna head down, see where this takes us, and then see what the rest of the day brings. Oh, it's a bit... She found the right path though. Yeah. And so that will take us back down to the pond. Luna, let's go down there and have a drink. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to come back down there. We're going to find a bench and have a seat. Luna, come here. Come here. I had to stop the video. There was another dog who wasn't happy about Luna being. But we're gonna go and have a look down here. You don't want to go in here. What a beautiful place. We are back. Look at the goose. Luna wants to go and see the goose. But let's take my rubbish. Luna, come here, babe. Come this side. Doing that now. Doing that, leave it. Come on, hey, down here. Look at him. Come on, babe. Yeah, surely there's got to be a bin around here somewhere. I see one over there. There's got to be one by the car park, haven't there? Has to be a bin by the car park. If not, it's going in my bag and we put. I found one. Kind of say, if not, it'll have to go in my bag and we put it in the bin when we get home. Oh no, we found a bin. I think it's a bin. Looks like a bin. Yes, it's a bin. Come on in, babe. So we're gonna head back to the waterfall. And we get a last final shot of the waterfall, I think. But yeah, guys, it's been a bit of an adventure to find this waterfall. So thank you for coming along with me. And if you enjoyed it, please let me know. Because we can do more adventure type things and search for more hidden secrets in Wales. I'd be thinking about it, you know, and it is actually a good idea. I personally think so. I would watch it. So I think we may start a series trying to find hidden beauty in Wales. Don't worry, we'll keep going through the towns and the villages. I've got a couple in mind. It's just we haven't really had the weather, hence why I've tried staying local-ish, because if it does start raining, I can go home quick. We can go home quickly. But yeah, I think I might, because I know of a few other, like, I know of a few other like beauty spots which are hidden, or not so much hidden but off the beaten track. Let's see. And then we can also do a bit of research and try and find some other ones. There's a lot of places like this in South Wales, because some people, obviously a lot of people know, everybody knows, but Wales was one of the best places in the world for coal mines and coal. It's what Wales is famous for. It's what put Wales on the map. It's coal mines, coal. And then the other thing that put Wales on the map was scenery like this. Valleys, mountains, hills, forestry, secludedness. Look at that house. What a nice house. Looks like it's in the middle of nowhere, but behind those trees there's a lot more houses because that's dairy. Dairy. Not dairy. Like in Ireland, you got dairy. This is dairy. D-E-R-I. Dairy. To my English speakers, it probably doesn't make any sense. Like, how does that say dairy? This is Wales, mate. Nothing makes sense in Wales. Look at it. How did it take us so long to find this? How did I never know about it? How do local people in Derry not know about it? Like, for instance, yesterday when we were searching for it, I asked someone in Derry and they looked at me stupid as if to say, what are you on about? There's no waterfall around here. Well, the two ladies with the dog yesterday, does exist, it is here. Look at it. Hey, don't drink a dirty water. You just had clean water. Mad. So yeah. Derry secret waterfall, Cwm Darran secret waterfall. Does exist, guys. With a beautiful waterfall in the background. I think we're going to end you there, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming along with the adventure and sticking with me. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.